Welcome to the best picks. The best leather fasteners kit is probably one of the most versatile tools for any leatherworker, whether you're a seasoned artisan or just starting out. This kit provides everything you need to securely fasten leather projects, from wallets and belts to bags and accessories. We'll dive deep into what makes a great kit, exploring the different types of snaps and fasteners, and showing you how to choose the perfect one for your next project. Number 5. Alritz 120 Set Leather Snap Fasteners Kit. Introducing the Alritz Snap Fasteners Kit, a must-have for any DIY enthusiast. This kit offers versatility and style for all your leather crafting needs. It's perfect for adding a professional touch to your projects. This kit includes 6 colors of metal button snaps, allowing you to add a unique touch to your creations. These colors are designed to complement a wide range of materials and designs. They will add a retro and exquisite style to your leather crafts. The kit comes with 4 setter tools, making installation quick and easy. Even if you're a beginner, you'll find these tools simple to use. You can easily install them by watching our instructional video. These fasteners are ideal for a variety of projects, from clothes and jackets to bags and bracelets. They are useful accessories that can be applied to DIY leather crafts, as well as for repairing and decorating various items. They are perfect for adding functionality and style. All components are neatly organized in a clear storage box. This makes it easy to find the size and color you need. The compact storage box ensures everything is kept in order. What we like. This kit offers a variety of colors, allowing you to match your projects perfectly. The included tools make installation a breeze, even for beginners. If you're looking for versatility and ease of use, this is the perfect choice for your leathercraft needs. What people say. Snaps are very strong and great quality. The tools included are easy to use and have made me want to put buttons on everything. Snap strength is very strong and directions are easy to follow. The look is sleek and size is perfect. This button snap set worked well for my leatherworking needs. Clear instructions, decent tools included, and the snap quality feels good. Number 4. Qfun 120 Set Snap Fasteners Kit. Introducing the Qfun 120 Set Snap Fasteners Kit. This kit is perfect for various projects. It includes everything you need to get started. The kit comes with 120 sets of fasteners in 4 colors: gold, silver, bronze, and matte black. Each color has 30 sets. Each set includes all the necessary components. The cap diameter is about 12 millimeters. These snap fasteners are designed for medium to thick fabrics. They are not suitable for light fabrics. These snap fasteners are made of copper zinc alloy. They are crafted without nickel plating, ensuring they remain in good condition even after extended use. You can use them with confidence, and a hammer is included to help with your work. This kit is versatile and can be used for leather crafts, clothing, bags, and more. It comes with 120 sets of snap fasteners and 5 setting tools. This makes it ideal for various DIY and sewing projects. We provide replacement service. If you have any questions, please let us know. We will solve it for you until you are satisfied. What we like. Made from a durable copper zinc alloy, this kit ensures your snaps will last. The included hammer simplifies the installation process. If you are working on projects that require long-lasting fasteners, this kit is designed for you. What people say. It worked well and was easy to install. So far the snap seems secure snug. The color variety is good and matched the material I was using it on. The tool kit is small but organized. Works beautiful. Great kit for beginners. Quality product you can trust to work right. Nice variety of sizes. Plus having all tools included get you started for a great price. Once the buttons were installed using the included tools, they snapped firmly together to create a tight seal. Number 3. 70 Sets Gun Black Metal Snap Fasteners Kit. This kit is made of high-quality metal, ensuring durability. It is perfect for various projects, from leather crafts to clothing repair. You can rely on it for long-lasting use. The cap diameter is 15 millimeters, or 5/8 inches, with a cylinder height of 1364 and a post length of 1564. This size is ideal for a variety of applications. It provides a secure and reliable fastening solution. The kit comes in a stylish gun black color. This color adds a sleek and professional look to your projects. It's a versatile choice that complements many materials. You'll receive 70 sets in total, each set containing 4 parts, 2 caps, 1 stud, and 1 socket. This provides ample supply for multiple projects. It ensures you have everything you need to get started. This kit is great for leather projects, purses, bags, clothes, and more. It's also suitable for sewing crafts, handbags, wallets, and decorating fabric. It is a versatile tool for various creative endeavors. What we like. This kit is made of high-quality metal, ensuring durability for your projects. The gun black color adds a sleek, modern touch. If you like a classic look and need reliable fasteners for leather, consider this kit. What people say. I used the tools to re-rivet all of the remaining snaps and it worked perfectly. The kit comes with a tool to punch holes into cloth or leather. The colors are perfect when you don't want silver and the hold is great. Number 2. Raydodo 12 Set 15mm Leather Snap Fasteners Kit. These snap fasteners are made of premium brass with high-level plating. The caps have a higher glossiness, making them sturdy and resistant to scratches and rust for long-term use. Each cap has a diameter of about 0.59 inches, 15 millimeters. The set includes caps, sockets, studs, and posts. It's suitable for light to medium fabrics, perfect for your various projects. The kit comes with detailed instructions with clear pictures and words. You'll find it easy to install these snaps once you understand the components. Remember to avoid excessive force during installation to prevent deformation. This snap kit is perfect for leather decorations and clothing repairs. You can use it on jackets, jeans, belts, hats, pet clothes, bags, and DIY craft projects. The possibilities are endless. The package includes instructions, 12 sets of 15mm snap fasteners, for install tools, and a storage box. Quality is guaranteed, and if you have any questions, we're here to help until you're satisfied. What we like. With its premium brass and high-level plating, this kit offers a superior finish. The detailed instructions make installation easy. If you are looking for a kit that combines quality and ease of use for various projects, this is a great option. What people say. This compact kit is excellent and comes with all the essential specialty tools you need. Very easy to follow instructions and the finished product looks professional and seems to be sturdy and well made. The included instructions were easy to follow and the included tools made these snaps a breeze to install. Number 1. Stainless Steel Snap Button Kit. This snap button kit includes 160 pieces, perfect for various projects. It's designed for long-term use and excellent oxidation resistance. The kit comes with all the necessary components for your convenience. Made with brass and nickel-plated for durability, this kit ensures a secure grip. The screws are made of 304 stainless steel, offering superior rust resistance. This ensures the product's longevity. This versatile kit is suitable for canvas, clothing, leather, and more. It can be used both indoors and outdoors. You can attach it to various surfaces with ease. The studs can clip onto screws or canvas studs for easy mounting. The heavy-duty construction ensures a secure hold. If you want to complete the installation more efficiently, you can buy a tool kit to use with it. We are committed to providing you with the best shopping experience. If you have any quality issues, please let us know. The size of the button is suitable for materials below 3 mm thickness. What we like. Made with stainless steel, this kit is built to last and resist rust. It's designed for marine use, making it perfect for outdoor projects. If you need a durable and reliable kit for demanding environments, this is the one for you. What people say. They worked perfectly and have so much more of them if they go bad. Worked well, crimped correctly and easily. Worked great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.